Hi, this is Scoggett. This is second part to my crispy fries my way video, and going to go ahead and get started. If you watch the first part, you know where we're at from here, and going to go ahead and get started on the second part. What I've got is I've got my French fries right here, what I brought out from the ice bath. They have been sitting in the fridge in the ice bath for 30 minutes. And what I'm going to do is drain the water off of them, and then put them on paper towels and pat them dry. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, I've got my fries, and I went ahead and drained them. They still got water on them. So what we got to do is put them on paper towels and make sure that there's no, get this out of the way, make sure there's no water on the fries, because as everybody knows, water and oil do not mix. I mean, you have a grease fire going on, so you got to pat these dry. Make sure that they're all dry before putting them in the fryer. And that's the next step, is put them in the fryer. Just going to use paper towels here, like I said, to pat these dry. Even roll them up, just to dry them off. It's not hard to do. Because you don't want any water on the fries, and then all of a sudden you got a grease fire going on. I'll put them over here, and we're just going to kindly spread them out. And just dry them up really good. We want them just really dried good. Get this out of the way. Don't need that no more. Get all the water off of them. That's important. That's pretty good. Now, what I've got, so I'm going to go ahead and move this over here, then I'll move it back. What I've got is I got my deep fryer, and you want to deep fry these fries from anywhere from 300 to 325 degrees, somewhere between there, and you want to do that anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes. I usually go 7 minutes. I found out 7 minutes, that's a good time and everything. So we're going to go ahead and put the fries in while they're still cooled. We got all the water off of them. Hopefully I got all the water off of them. I patted them dry enough. Better have. And let them go ahead and fry for, at like I said, anywhere from 300 to 325. That's good range. I set my fryer at 315. So we're going to go ahead and set the timer. Like I say, I go like 7 minutes. Set it for 7 minutes. And just lower them in and let them fry. I'm not going to sit here and do this and watch you let these fry, because that's boring. So I'm going to move this back. And I'm going to have some more interesting stuff. By interesting stuff, I'm going to give shout outs to some of my subscribers. I have over 7,100 subscribers to my channel, so of course I can't get them all. I can't get all of you. Wish I could, but I will get some of you while this is frying. Oh, one more thing. Had to move another pan over here, but it's all good. Okay, shout outs. I want to give a shout out to my brother Big Reggie over there in Vegas. Thanks so much for coming to visit. We had an excellent time. Hope you can come visit again, or maybe I can come and see you pretty soon. My brother Alan R. over there in New York. Hope your mom and dad is doing fine. Know that they have been having some health problems, and that really takes a toll on someone when you got a beloved family member and they're having health problems. My brother over there in Los Angeles, Mick Cotton Barbecue. Thank you so much for your shout outs on your channel to me, and just want to give you a big shout out on mine. Pickles Barbecue, just a small channel was starting out. Check out his channel. Got some really good stuff on this. I mean, he can barbecue. This is good. Cast Iron Skillet, my friends. Down there at Cast Iron Skillet. Enjoy all your videos. Really good stuff there. Explorer Emma, my Blue Line friend. Thanks so much for wanting to get into the law enforcement field, and I am sure you're going to do good. Mr. Palvis, been with me since the day I started. A big, big shout out to you, my brother. It just, can't believe you're still with me. Chrissy's Cooking Channel, another good channel. Got barbecue, got some other things on there. Louisiana Cajun Recipes, the man what got me all started. 007 Bond JB. And JB, just hope you're doing fine, and thanks so much for everything you have done for me. Mike Montoya, Smoking Mary's Rack Barbecue, another small channel what's getting established in the YouTube community. Really good stuff. Y'all check him out. Dan Webster, down there in Mobile, Alabama. Hope Granny's doing fine. Tell Granny old Scoggett says hey. Provo Pit Barbecue, another small channel what has some excellent barbecue videos on it. And this guy has more smokers than I do. And he uses the Gabby grill. I'm going to have to get one of those. They're Provo Pit Barbecue. I like it. Apocalypse Doomer. Another viewer just has some excellent malt liquor reviews. Cash Mopar, another person who has been with me forever, and hope you're doing fine. I believe he's in Minnesota. Giant Space Monkey, I think he's in New York. I haven't heard from you. Hope you're doing fine. Gun Collector 007, believe you're in Connecticut. Hope you're doing fine. Haven't seen any videos, and was kind of worried about you there, my friend. My good friend James Ross over in Henderson, Nevada. Want to give you a big shout out. Thanks so much for your hospitality whenever me and my wife was there. You put us up and made us feel like family. John Witherspoon. You know John Witherspoon from the Fridays movies. Just a really good cook and excellent guy. Little Gosthoff over there in Germany. Give you a big shout out. Been with me forever. And hope your restaurant is prosperous and you're doing fine. Lumpy Q. Haven't heard from you. And just kind of concerned about you. Okay, now we got these fried up. And what I'm going to do is bring them out. Let them kind of drain off. Drain the grease off of them. And just spread them out on some parchment paper. Let me get my little spreader here. These need to be drained off because these are still like if you went to eat these now, they wouldn't be crispy. They're going to be soggy. So we're going to spread these out on this parchment paper. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to refrigerate these for 15 minutes. Going to refrigerate them for 15. Refrigerate them for 15 minutes in the refrigerator. If you can't do the refrigerator, then you can just let them set for 15 minutes. But I'm going to put these in the fridge. So that's what we're going to do now. So this is Skagit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Going to put these in the fridge for 15 minutes, and then I'll have the third and final video coming up, and I'll show you how these come out and tell you the temperature what you need to fry these at. This is Skagit, and y'all take care.